Hello friends, today we're going to install a hardwire kit for this dashcam on this Peugeot 207. So all we need is a multimeter, the leaflet to know what fuses were for. We have some added circuits here. So first let's open the fuse box. It's right over here. You can see the little picker fell just out, and now we can see the fuses right over here. So I already have my hardwire kit dropped down in here, but the fuses are right over there, you can see. Now we have to find one fuse that is switched and one continuous one. And for the ground wire, I put a wire just behind that screw over there, and this way I have my ground wire. Really easy, long enough so I can use it even for other ground if needed. And now I will also use this wire in order to check the fuses. Now first I'm going to fix both adder circuits to the accessory and the plus wire. And there you go, the first one is fixed, and I added a little insulation tape just to be sure it's hold and there's no contact with the other wires. Okay, now both are attached. I removed the ground and I plugged my probe right in there, and now the car is switched off. Of course, I can turn the multimeter on 20, and now we simply test fuse by fuse to see which one is continuous. So the first one is 0, bingo, you can see F8 has power, and here we check what F8 does. F8 is the radio, CD, clock and tow hook, but this car doesn't have a tow hook. Let's search a bit further. This one has power as well. The F10. F10 is siren, electronic tuning and corner lights, but this car doesn't have all those functions, so I will take that one for my continuous power. Turn the car on to accessory mode. You can see the car is on. Now let's try again.
Please format SD card.
You can hear the dashcam kicking in. So F4 gives a result, and F4 is for the headlight sprinklers. This car doesn't have any, so that would be a good option as well. So F10 and F4 it will be. So you can see I removed both fuses and I placed them in the adder circuit, and now I can simply plug the adder circuit in. So now they're plugged in, the ground wire is connected as well. Now the car is off, and you can see already the dashcam has power. I started the car and my parking surveys had become available. And now we only have to set the power off.
Entering time-lapse mode.
And there you go. This is how you hardwire your dashcam in the Peugeot 207. If you like this video, please give me a comment, share the video, hit the subscribe button, and I see you in the very next video. Bye bye.